This forward plate compactor is great for cohesive soils such as subbase, clay silt, clay, or mixed soils, for projects involving landscapes, hardscapes, road repair, and more. Use on granular soils such as gravel, based, and mixed soils in preparation for retaining walls, foundations, trenchwork, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 6 HP Kohler CH260 engine with 3-year warranty. Number 2. Compaction force of 3,000 pounds per square foot. Number 3. Compaction of cohesive and granular soils and clays up to 22 inches. Number 4. Bevelled 17 inches by 21 inches plate for compaction that does not dig in. Number 5. Achieve 98 to 100% compaction on field density tests. Number 6. Compaction force of 3000 lbs, Fort. 98 to 100% compaction rating. Vibrating at 6,400 blows per minute. This forward plate compactor is perfect for professional applications requiring nuclear density testing and field compaction tests. Number 7. 6 HP Kohler Engine Command Pro CH260 engine. Durable and tough. This plate compactor is built to last, making it perfect for professionals, construction equipment rental, and do-it-yourselfers alike. Number 8. Narrow 17 inches by 21 inches base plate, versatile and compact. Designed to maneuver narrow, cramped spaces at 79 feet per minute. This plate compactor is a contractor's first choice for sidewalks, driveways, and repair work. Number 9. Save money. Work smarter, not harder. Stop frequent trips to the rental yard and sharpen your competitive edge with equipment that pays for itself. Number 10. Spare parts and accessories. Power Your World Tomahawk understands to keep a job site running smoothly. The proper equipment and parts are needed at the drop of a hat. Gain access to faster spare parts availability, nationwide repair centers to power your world, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Would it be suitable for gravel? Would use it on 3/4 of an inch minus? Answer. Yes, it works well on type 2.5 inch would be suitable as well. Question number 2. Can I use this for a 300 feet sidewalk pour? Answer. Yes, this plate has a 17 inches width and travels at about 70 feet a minute. The TPC-80 is also ideal for sidewalks and compacting granular soils. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.